That gets rid of that. Let's see. We're doing it the best way possible here, so I guess that's going to be it right there. So yeah, so turn on this bad boy. There's a little button there to the side. Oh, it did something weird. So there's the game. Boom, baby, we're in. So just to show off this a little bit, because it is a cool little device, let's go hit time. So yeah, so right now it's 9:39 or 9:40 according to my computer. And this is just kind of showing off the time. So what's really cool is between the hours of 9 and 10, you can see Luigi is actually on the screen there. So that's how we deal with the Loage. So yeah, that's really cool, and this thing does a lot of neat stuff. I'm dropping some Koopas, as you can see up there. Ooh, he got mergulated. So dropping some Koops in to make him deal with those. All kinds of stuff. Plus, this has the ability to turn up the sound, so let's go ahead and do that. Give a little sound. We can also turn up the brightness if need be, which maybe for this we should. And then we can turn that back down. Ooh, that's still not bad. You can see pretty good. So turn that up. Alright, and then also it has the ability to play a couple different games. We got Super Mario Brothers, the original. We got Super Mario Brothers 2. This is the Japanese version, also known as the Lost Levels here in America. And we got a game called Ball. So just to show off Ball, Ball is a traditional Game & Watch game. So we got Mario here. Let me turn that down a little bit. That is way too loud to be tinkling. So it's just a little Game & Watch game. I think this adds Mario's head to it. So it's just a game where you juggle the balls. So you must juggle, this is really nice because I'm actually looking through the game on my phone, and it seems to be reacting right away. And you are looking at the games through my phone too, through Twitch, because we are using the magic of Twitch to stream. I don't know what game B is. Oh, got 3 balls! Can't be playing around with all these balls now. That's a lot of booze. There it goes. So that's a little game that's on there, but mainly I play this for, obviously, Super Mario Brothers 1. So once you beat the game, you actually get normal mode and hard mode, which hard mode would be with the beetle bugs, which makes the game, you know, relatively harder. Let's turn that down just a smidgen so you can hear it. So yeah, that'll give the beetle bugs into the game. So, but we're not going to play that version of it. We're going to play the original without the beetle bugs. Oh, I messed it up. Alright, so I bought a little tripod to try to balance this, and I'm going to play the game as best as I can with, well, try not to move it too much. So we'll just take a run at beating it, which could be a little bit complicated on the Game & Watch because it is a smaller screen, but it's a good smaller screen. I like it. I think Nintendo did a great job with this. Really solid little device. And the other thing I like about it is that it is becoming hackable, and that is really cool. I can't wait to put Super Mario Brothers 2 on this bad boy, not the Japanese version, but the American version of Doki Doki Panic, which is probably my favorite game of all time. So that is super exciting for me. But I think that the device itself is really cute. It's really nice. It's a lot of fun. Ethan was over earlier. I was talking to him, and as I was talking to him, I was playing this at the same time. And it was just a lot of fun to be doing that. Sorry, trying to concentrate. Hey, channel announcements. Evidently, I'm live. So everyone knows Duck is streaming, but it's okay that no one's watching. I like to talk to myself. I'm a crazy person, so it ain't that bad. It ain't that bad to talk to yourself. That's what Twitch is. It's a lot of talking to yourself, just having a conversation with yourself, with your bad self. Level 401. I did test. This is the original Mario. This is 100% ROM because I tested some of the stuff. Not unlike Mario 35. That is definitely running on something new. This is the original. So I went to World 3, 1, and did the turtle trick where I got a billion 1-ups. There's one right there. Come on, baby. Give him a good old jump. Got a weird little double vision thing going on where I'm seeing the game go through the screen here. So, got that double vision. I got that double vision. Oh, that's cool. On the screen, you can see all the little pixels. That is just coolio boolio. Alright, come on, Mario. Get up there. Why are we playing around, baby cakes? Going to level 8. Gotta beat this shit, that's what I do. And be game and watch. Oh, you little jerk. You little jerk Koopa Koopas. Boom, baby. Let's get us a power star and get this going. Ah, P. That is not cool. That's alright. Like I said, tiny screen makes it more difficult. I like how this level doesn't have a midsection save. What's that all about, Nintendo? What were you trying to prove with all that? Let's go ahead and get a... Oh, come on. Oh crap, I thought there was a mushroom in there. 'Twas wrong. Ah, I died. I wasn't paying attention. I was zoning out on the Mario. And wow, I am sucking hardcore at this game. I am doing terribly. That's alright, we're gonna kill it. Oh, we're gonna diet. And not that cool kind where we lose weight. Alright, let's do it again. I think maybe we'll go for all those extra lives after all. I think I might need them. Do Mario. Chunk, 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 chunk. Chunky, 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 chunky monkey. I like these two that are stuck together there. Ooh, I don't like them so much right now. They took me out. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Ah, I needed you. Boom, baby. Oh, I got mergulated. Come hither. There we go. Nice. There was a bug that was on my desk. I just didn't want to get bit by it, so I blew him away. Now, I can't remember. I think you got to be Big Mario to do this. You don't have to be Fire Mario, but you have to be at least Big Mario. I can never remember. So let's at least try to do that. Whoa, hey now. Lost them. Ah, why would you do that, Mario? Super Mario. Hello, anyone who's in here watching. I appreciate you coming in. I'm not super entertaining tonight, but I am going to try to get the one-ups on the Ye-Old here. So let's see what happens. And hopefully the quality is okay for you to be able to see the game and watch. And we appreciate you watching. Come on, Star. I hate these guys. These guys are not my friends. Oh, I always screw that up too, so I'm happy I didn't. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, here's one. Nope, screwed it up. Going back. Let's try again. Hey, my bros. So one time, back in the day when I was in a band, me and my brother, I got into a fight because my band was recording music, and poop. And he didn't like it. I woke up his girlfriend at the time who was pregnant, which, you know, I probably should have communicated with him that we were going to be doing that. And so he chucked a hammer at me. So, night, night, my love. My girlfriend just said goodnight. She is the sweetest. So yeah, anyhow, he chucked some hammers at me. And from there on in, everyone called us the Hammer Bros. Wouldn't it be funny if she would have wrote something dirty to me? Oh my god, that would have been the best. I've gotten so used to Mario 35 controls that I control like Mario 3 where you get the extra jump. And you do not get that. Move back to improve focus. Well, we'll just have to deal with what we got. Because I'm already slanted to the left here. Alright. Oh, P. Lost that one up mushroom already. Stay away from me, Koopa Jones. Koopa B. Jones. I should have recorded me getting the 1-ups earlier, and then I could have made it look like I was a boss instead of a nerd like I am. Oh, thank God. All right. Lame. We were getting close, though. Move that back a little bit. Let's see if I can get one more go at it. Pretty sure I need a mushroom to do it. So we'll see what happens. Nice. That was a close one. You know, a lot of Koopas in there. Here we go. There we go. There, he's getting them. He's getting them. He's getting them 1-ups. Yeah, we needed those. Come on, keep going, Mario. Get your 1-ups, baby. Move that a little bit. I guess we can move this back a little bit and get a better shot of it. Way if anyone wants to use it, they can. Not a very exciting ordeal getting all these 1-ups, but hey, it's what we do. Nope, did I run out of them? There we go. Boom, 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 boom. I remember the first time I ever saw this, my dad did this. I'm not even sure how he heard about it, but he came home and hooked us up with a bunch of 1-ups. My hand's literally getting sweaty from doing this. Alright, I think that'll be enough. Let us finish the level. Bring them back a little bit closer now. There we go. Got plenty of lives. Oh, and this is one of my favorite levels in the whole game. Especially in Mario 35. This level is like a safe level. That's what I like about it the most. Bug on my foot. Do not like it. Do not like these bugs, I say. I do not like these bugs every day. Here we go. That moved a little bit. Come on, let's go to the castle. I'm the king of the castle. Let's go to the castle, baby doll. Oops, well, that was dumb. Dum-dum. Oh, that was a dum-dum right there. That was a dum-dum move. 100% stupidity. Stupidity. At least he's not chucking hammers. I know my hands are shaking. I'm so excited about all these extra lives I got going on. Boom, baby. Another level down, another level down. That's what we do up in hall. Well, I'm just so freaking tired. I'm sorry, y'all. The exhaustion is kicking in tonight. It's been a rough day, I'll tell you that much. But I definitely want to try to beat it. Try to beat it, mind you. That's cool. He made a different noise with the spit. That was cool. It was more high-pitched. Oh, yeah, there we go. Come on, superstar. There he is. Just don't mess up on my jumping. This game is all about the platforming. There we go. Now, might have some complications here at the end, because these are so small. There we go. We're through, baby. That looks pretty good. Did good. Did good. Alright, this is, I think, if we make it through this, I think this is the hardest level in the game, personally. We'll see how I do. Nice. It's right here that always gets me. And yeah, I knew it was going to get me. Oh, come on. My hand's twitching. Because I'm on Twitch. I'll take an extra life. Thank you. Ah, that's lame. Should have known. Someone's got that music pumping. We're gonna Pegasus. Ah, crap. Are you kidding me? Yeah, it's a lot harder to see. That's why those extra lives are coming in handy. Yeah, why do I keep getting that one up? I don't even need that thing. Stupid. Stupid duck. Oh, maybe I do. Alright, this is our run, baby. This is our run. I can feel it. Oh, the feeling was wrong. I felt something, and what it was bullshit. Sometimes I just get stuck on this level, you know, if I'm not having a good run of it, which I'm not. And it's a little bit harder. You can't see it, but the camcorder is in my way, or the phone is, so that I can record the screen. I'll make excuses for my suckage. I have to at this point. I'm doing terrible. I will say this, if I win, I allow myself to go get a sandwich. And I would really like a sandwich, so I would really like the win. A sandwich and a bag of chips. That sounds delish. Whoa! Turtle. There we go. There we go. Alright, here's the hard one. Nice. Boom, baby. Alright. So, I think that level's hard, and I think I was holding my breath the whole time, but the next level, woo! Baby cakes. The next level takes the baby cakes. My hands are sweating, too. I got that old school Nintendo sweat going on. Nice. That was cool. Alright. Get this fire flower, and hopefully things will go smoothly. Oh, they did not go as smooth as I wanted. Well, it looks like we're heading into 8-4 with a tiny little Mario. An itty bitty little Mario's. He's not a very big guy, but I think we'll do it, and I think we'll rock it. So we also got 1 billion lives, so it'll be okay. It'd be cool to beat this, because like I said, I would like my sandwich. Ooh, that was a close one. Some flying puffer fishers. I can't believe I got through those already. Alright, let's get past the bloopers. The bluebies, if you will. the bloober doobers. Crank over to the Hammer Bro here. We'll wait for our bro to come over. Hopefully he will be respectful and come over sooner than later. That'd be super cool. Come on, Hammer Broskis. There he is. Oh, that was so close. Oh, that was so close. Oh, well, you know, you play around, you get hurt. Maybe we'll have a better run this time. I was in the danger zone, though. I really was. I was right into the danger zone. You gotta take me right into the danger zone now. Right into the flying fish zone. I gotta go right into the blooper zone now. I kind of like this area of the game because it's like you have to go into the pipes to get to the end. I think that's just so clever, and that's the only part that looks like that, so it's kind of cool that they did that. Alright, we gonna wait for him again? We'll wait for you, buddy. We'll give you a hot minute. Come over here. You can come get me when you're ready. If I was being brave, I'd just jump at him, but I'm not brave today. Oh, I keep on almost getting it. Ah, it was close, but no dice. All right, let's go again. And that was a bad run already. I'm going to move this a little bit further away, just so I can see it. Because I think that's where I'm struggling, because he's so close to me. Yeah, I can already tell I'm having a better run already. I'm a little bit braver. I don't know if you can tell. I just get a little bit more, you know. Oh, come on, baby, baby. Blooper City. Let's go, Blooper Cities. The old bloobs. Old Bloobies 5000. Probably jump on them. Alright. Yeah, it's over. Oh yeah. I knew it would be. I knew moving it back would make it easier. It just is what it is. That was not easy to do, I'd say, on the Game & Watch, but definitely fun to play. I think the picture quality is awesome. I think everything about this is awesome. I think the box for that it came in is freaking awesome. Just look at that. It's so cool, just the way they did that. And backwards too. Just showing everything that it came with, having the thing on the bottom. I like it. I like it a lot. I think they did a great job. Nintendo, do a good job. Do a good job, Nintendo. Push the B button. So now we can play 2 players if we wanted, or we could play the Mario 2, which I never played because it's an impossible game to beat. But I mean, you can play it if you want. You can go a little bit of a Louage game. 100% Louage. But yeah, that's a look at the awesomeness that is the Nintendo Game & Watch Super Mario Brothers edition. So thank you so much for checking it out. With that said, I think we will destroy this thing.